Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone, and in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how to store vanilla extract. I know it seems pretty basic, but just stick with me. It is really important, so let's get to it. The thing about vanilla is it's often used to describe the most boring, basic level of anything, right? But it's actually pretty unique. So vanilla beans are the fruit from a really unique orchid that only grows in like Mexico and Central America. It's the only orchid that produces that fruit. And the word vanilla itself, guess what? It's derived from the Latin word for vagina. So hey, not too boring, right? It's actually pretty interesting. But vanilla itself, next to saffron, is the most expensive spice and flavoring that we produce in the world. Though it is everywhere, it might seem quite basic, but it's actually not. So storing it is important. So when you have your vanilla extract, we're talking like pure vanilla extract, because there is imitation vanilla also, but when you have your vanilla extract, you want to store it in a dark, cool place. So in the pantry, in the cupboard. That seems pretty obvious, right? Maybe not, but the important part is you don't want to store it anywhere near a heat source. So you don't want to put it in a cupboard that's above the oven or next to the oven. You want to put it somewhere that's far away from that because it really likes to be cold. And pure vanilla extract, the thing that's great about it is if you store it that way, if you store it correctly, it actually will last for a very long time, indefinitely. The proper conditions, vanilla extract is pretty much not going to spoil. That said, if to get the most out of your vanilla extract, you probably want to use it within 5 years. You might think, okay, I need to put my extract somewhere that's in a cool place, but you do not want to put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. That's definitely a no-no when it comes to vanilla extract. The reason is those flavonoids, the vanilla flavonoids, the thing that they're stored in within the extract, if you put them in the fridge or the refrigerator, it'll actually cause it to separate. It will get cloudy, the product will just start to degrade, and that's the last thing you want to do. Now, imitation vanilla is a lot like regular vanilla or pure vanilla extract in that same sense. It also wants to be stored in like a nice, cool, dark place. Also not near a heat source. Now with imitation vanilla, the thing is though, it's not going to last as long. You're probably only going to get like 2, maybe 3 years out of a bottle of imitation compared to pure vanilla extract, which you actually can get close to, like I said, it forever. Like it's pretty much going to last forever if you store it properly. Once again, try to use it within 5 years. So why does vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract, last so much longer than the imitation stuff? Well, here's the thing. By law, pure vanilla extract has to be 35% alcohol. So that's what's keeping that preservation there. Imitation vanilla extract does not have those same requirements, which is why it does not last as long. So now you know, that's how you store your vanilla extract. So the next time you go to Costco, you can buy that big bottle if it's pure because you know it's going to last a long time. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, subscribe. I release new videos every single week. See you guys next time.